I am Tulika. I am a student of University Evening College of B.Ed first semester. My topic name is Nature of Classroom Discourse. So today my topic is Nature of Classroom Discourse. Classroom discourse is an interaction between teachers and learners and between learners and learners. It is generally claimed to form an isolated discourse domain. Teachers and students construct an understanding of their roles and relationships and the expectations for their involvement in the classroom. So, the meaning of classroom discourse. The classroom discourse refers to the language that teachers and students use to communicate with each other in the classroom. The study of classroom discourse is the study of the process of face-to-face classroom teaching. Then the nature of classroom discourse. First one is that it is a form of communication, either in spoken or written form. Second, it's the study of the process of face-to-face classroom teaching. Third, it is an interaction between teachers and students to construct an understanding of their roles and relationships. It is the language that teachers and students use to communicate with each other, and it includes the ways of representing, thinking, talking, agreeing that students and teachers engage in as they do subjects. So here is the some types of classroom discourse. First one is the initiation response evaluation. So it possesses a traditional pattern of discourse. The teacher asks question, the student answers, and the teacher evaluates. Second one is the instructions. Here, teacher gives directive or informative instruction, and students respond to it depending upon the type of instruction. Third one is the probing questions. The teacher asks referential questions or thinking questions, and teachers and students are encouraged to give longer answer through their thinking. And the last one is the argumentation. Here it may be a question or statement form. Here the teacher challenges the students to justify his reason. So, next one is the significance of classroom discourse. It brings clarity and distinctiveness in the speech. Learners can be prompted to think and do something in subject area. During interaction, teachers have the scope to identify the talent, intelligence, and excellence of the pupil. So lastly, we can conclude that usefulness of classroom interaction is a two-way street. The quality of students' learning is closely associated with the quality of classroom discourse. To achieve this goal of language learning, we should try to improve our self-teaching skills. So thank you all of you.